Okay, in these questions, you have to find the probability in different scenario. Here, P is represent the probability. So, in the question asks you if you select one student randomly, or if one student was chosen at random, so determine the probability in this scenario. So in the question tells you write your answer to reduce fraction format, not the decimal. So here's the table. It's called two-way table. This is the one-way grid. Other way is a type of the person, male, female. So you got to find the answer. So first question is to find the probability, you have to find the how many in total in a trial. So this is the survey. Okay, so there is looks like we have 76 people are in the survey. This is total number of trials, also called total number of outcomes in the survey. So that's 76 always go to the denominator of the fraction when you do the probability. So here is a formula. I should write the formula as well. So here's a formula. Probability of any event A is equals to number of A. My bad. So I'm going to write here. Probability of any event A equals number of A. It's called N of A. Is number of A divided by number A in total. Okay, number in total. So here in this particular example, here A is, you can think about the male as a. Okay, so here female as a. So that's how you see what number goes in the top. Okay, and the bottom always goes to the total number, which is going to be 76 here. So you have to make sure that when you find the probability of anything, you count how many how many of those going to be in the top and how many total going to be in the bottom. That's how you do. Okay, so let's write the first question. Student of the male. So what's the male probability? The male probability is how many male? You can see 35 male, 35 out of how many? You divide by total 76. Okay, so notice that's decimal, but if you want a fraction answer as a reduced for fraction, if you want to do manual, you can reduce. If you see, you can reduce or not, but if you click this fraction, convert to fraction, it tells you reduce fraction. So you can do 35 over 76 is the reduced fraction. Pretty much you cannot reduce that. Okay, for the female, again, how many female? That's we go to the top. So female is 41 here, 41 female out of 46. That's the reduced fraction. This is the decimal, but I need the reduced fraction. 41 over 76. Okay, that's the students was female probability. So what's the probability that students was male and got an A? So if you look here, the male who got A is 9. So 9 students got A and who are male as well. So pretty much you do 9 over 76, and again 9 over 76 as a decimal is this number, as a fraction is 9 over 76 as well. 9 over 76 because it is already reduced, cannot be reduced. Next question, was female and got a B. So how many got a female? How many female got a B? So 20, look at the 20 here. So 20 female got a B. So there is a 20 people who got a B and also female. So you divide 20 by 76. Again, you see this is the decimal number of that, and this is the reduced fraction is 5 over 19. Okay, 5 over 19. Finally, students got a C. How many got a C? There's this column here. Let's say 27 here got a C. So 27 out of 76, which is basically reduced fraction is 27 over 76. 27 over 76. So this is the answer for this question. That's how you answer, and you submit your question. Everything is correct, and I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.